Okay, I've used rubber band to hold this in place for the moment so I can show you what we're doing. This block will get screwed in there on the sides, and then we'll add a little glue here. So I've marked where the block goes. So I've marked it in here where our block is. So what we'll do is we want to measure that. That's right in here somewhere. Now we want to find our center this way. Yep. Right in there. Then we're going to drill a hole here. Okay, and that's right center where we want the block to go, so that one's okay. Now we'll do this side. Got to go over. There we go. And we're going to take our cutting tool on our Dremel. This is so we can inset our screw and cover it up with putty later. We'll do the same to this side. And I think we're going to need an 1 5/8 inch screw. Put this in here. One in on the other side. So we got those in, so now we'll try to get the mouth in here where we want it. See how it hooks up. Okay, that's where we want it. That's good. Now we'll do the other side. Okay, so we got that in. Now what I'll do is I'll put a bead of glue in here to keep it in case it gets loose. That'll help hold it stiff. So you can see by cutting this out, now we got play in the mouth. So I think we're okay with that. I might have to sand this down a little more. So we'll get that glued in and then we'll come back for the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thank you.